Remember not only to say the right thing in the right place, but far more difficult still, to leave unsaid the wrong thing at the tempting moment. He that speaks much is much mistaken. He that would live in peace and at ease must not speak all he knows, nor judge all he sees. Speak not but what may benefit others or yourself. Avoid trifling conversation. A good example is the best sermon. No one cares what you know until they know that you care. To succeed, jump as quickly at opportunities as you do at conclusions. Energy and persistence conquer all things. A life of leisure and a life of laziness are two different things. He that lives upon hope will die fasting. Reading makes a full man, meditation a profound man, discourse a clear man. That which hurts also instructs. Whatever you become, be good at it. Motivation is when your dreams put on work clothes. A place for everything, everything in its place. Trouble knocked at the door, but, hearing laughter, hurried away. Do not anticipate trouble, or worry about what may never happen. He that blows the coals in quarrels that he has nothing to do with has no right to complain if the sparks fly in his face. Wish not so much to live long as to live well. It isn't what you know that counts, it's what you think of in time. If your head is wax, don't walk in the sun. Be studious in your profession, and you will be learned. Be industrious and frugal, and you will be rich. Be sober and temperate, and you will be healthy. Be in general virtuous, and you will be happy. Joy is not in things, it is in us. Fish and visitors stink in 3 days. He that won't be counseled can't be helped. Thinking aloud is a habit which is responsible for most of mankind's misery. Write to please yourself. When you write to please others, you end up pleasing no one. Fear God, and your enemies will fear you. He is ill-clothed who is bare of virtue. Without justice, courage is weak. I resolve to speak ill of no man whatever, not even in a matter of truth, but rather by some means, excuse the faults I hear charged upon others, and upon proper occasions, speak all the good I know of everybody. Who is wise? He that learns from everyone. Who is powerful? He that governs his passions. Who is rich? He who is content. Who is that? Nobody. It is hard for an empty sack to stand upright. Today is yesterday's pupil. All highly competent people continually search for ways to keep learning, growing, and improving. They do that by asking why. After all, the person who knows how will always have a job, but the person who knows why will always be the boss. Thank you for watching and for supporting us.